Hey guys, welcome to Parts Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, today I'm seated comfortably on this bench, although not so very comfortable. It is a temporary place I'm in. This reminds me of a story of a frog which was inside a well, and then there was this woman who went to fetch water using a bucket. He fetched the water and coincidentally the frog was picked up. So the frog was transferred to the woman's house and transferred to a pan which was full of water, big pan, where the woman usually boils water. Now the frog was still very comfortable where he was. Then suddenly the woman didn't even check inside if there was a frog. She just started boiling the water. The frog continued getting very comfortably and feeling very warm. But unfortunately, the water got hotter and hotter as it continued boiling, and the frog didn't make it. It was cooked. Well, that story teaches us in this life, we need to get out of our comfort zone sometimes. Sometimes you've been in an environment which has suddenly become toxic. You need to get out of it and move to a new environment. Well, here are some few travel tips. When you're relocating jobs, you're moving jobs, maybe from one town to another or from one country to another. Firstly, research about your new job, the new environment you'll be living in, so that you prepare very well for it. Secondly, budget well for the moving, especially when you're traveling with a big family, and include a surplus budget to avoid inconveniences. Thirdly, when you're booking flights or you're booking transportation, look if there are any discounts so that you can save a little, because moving costs are usually quite pricey. And fourthly, find out if you can network with new people in the new environment. That will make your life easier adjusting in the new environment. For more travel tips, check out my website www.partsoasis.com. Bye for now.